Hi everyone, it's your girl Vinetta and you're welcome to Vinetta's Kitchen. So in today's recipe, we're going to be cooking this banging banga recipe. Yeah, I'm going to be giving you this recipe free of charge. So all you have to do is please subscribe to my channel, watch, like, comment. So we're going to start with boiling the palm kernel seeds. This is the palm kernel seeds. You let it boil very soft. Don't add salt, don't add anything, just let it boil. And when you're done boiling it and it's soft, then you use your mortar to pound it. I don't mean pound hard, like pound like a pounding diamo. No, just pound it and make sure you don't get to break the seeds. You understand? So just pound it like I'm doing here. There's this banga extract that's always inside can. I've tried it before and it doesn't give that original taste, trust me. This original one, cooking your palm kernel seeds and extracting it yourself, god, the taste is heaven. Yeah, the taste is heaven, trust me guys. I've tried the one inside the can before and because it was my first time, so it was just I didn't know. But when I tried this, palm kernel seeds, I knew that this is the original banga taste. So you just pound it and just pound everything at once. No need to start pound you extract. Just pound everything at once and put it in a bowl, and then let's go to the kitchen and we're gonna go extract it. So for extracting it, you need boiling water, you need hot water, depending on how long you have pounded it and maybe it's no longer hot again. You need hot water, not very hot, so just moderate. And when it's too hot, you can add a little bit of cold water to it. So I added my hot and cold water to it so that when I dip my hands into it to extract it, it doesn't burn me. So this is how you're just going to extract it. You squeeze out the juice, you understand, and you're going to throw away the seeds and all the shafts from the juice, you understand. So I just kept on, squeezing out the juice. And do not put too much water. Some people, make a mistake by adding too much water, and that makes your banga to be watery, you understand. So let's just leave it in between, not too thick and not watery at all, you get. So do not put too much water, but along the line, if you now think this is too thick and you need it to be a little bit more watery, not too thick and not too watery, you understand. So you can add in more water, but I like mine very thick. So I'm done removing the seeds, but the seeds are still there. So I just used my sieve to remove the extracts, and so I'll be able to get out the shafts. You can see. So this part you're gonna discard. I just kept on doing this till I was done. One tip I'll give you guys when making banga soup to save your time is, when you just come back from the market, you can be stressed and you might not want to cook it that same day. So to make it fresh and not get the palm kernel seeds to, start bringing out this foam and, get to spoil or whatever, you can boil your banga seeds and, put it in the freezer, extract the water and put it in the freezer, or you boil it, pound it, and you can also put it in the freezer, or you boil it, pound it, extract it like I'm doing now, and put the banga extract in the freezer. So when you're ready to cook, you can just bring it out from the freezer and cook. So this saves time, and although I don't, banga can be very stressful. I don't find it stressful, maybe because I like to cook, I like to be in the kitchen. Cooking just makes me happy, but let's still agree, banga can be very, very stressful. Like making banga soup is one very stressful thing to do. So This is the banga stick, and this thing, I think they also put it in pepper soup. I don't know what the name is, but if you know the name, please, you can comment the name in this comment section. Then this is my cow skin, smoked prawns, snail, banga spice. This is banga spice, yes. And this is saint leaf, which is optional. You can decide to use it and skip it, whichever one you like. And this is banga leaf. It's also optional. It doesn't add anything to the taste, but just the look is just very nice. I think that's why they had it. So I added in my banga stick. This was when you tell the market to make banga stick, you need to get home and scrape the body, then rinse it before using it. And this, I don't know what the name is, like I said earlier. If you know the name, please comment the name in the comment section. So I added my stockfish, cow skin, and the smoked prawns, and I'm just going to allow it to boil for like 5 to 10 minutes before adding in my banga spice. So now I'm adding the banga spice, and the first time I had banga soup, it was kind of strange in taste. I didn't really like it, maybe because I'm a Yoruba girl and I'm used to ewedu, omiobe, okra, omiobe, and vegetable soup. That's efo riro. But as I grew older, I found myself wanting to have that taste again, wanting to, eat it again. So the first time I tried to cook banga soup, I used the banga extract that was in a can, and it wasn't giving me that, original banga taste. That was why I said to get the best, you just have to, buy your palm kernel seeds in the market and boil and extract your banga yourself. That just gives like the original banga taste. So I added my fish, I added my black pepper, then there's this yellow pepper that this market women sell as well. You can, add it to it. It gives it one nice scent as well, because that yellow pepper is also the black pepper, but the fresh one. So I added my crayfish powder. I'm a lover of crayfish. If you do not love crayfish, please, you can skip it. And there's some people that don't like fish. You can use anything you want to use. You can use meat. You can use any protein of your choice. Trust me. Added my crayfish powder and I stirred, and I'm just going to allow that to cook. So at this point, you need to add your seasoning. That's your Maggi. I added my Maggi here, but I don't think I showed this part. I added my Maggi and I covered and allowed to boil for like 10. You know your banga is ready when it starts to bring out this, red oil on top of it. So I added the banga leaf. I added my saint leaf, which I already said is optional. I added this saint leaf for the first time, This is the first time I'm adding saint leaf to my banga soup, and that was because I wanted to, taste it with rice. So I added my saint leaf, and you can have this soup with anything, rice, semo, anything, any solid. So this is it, the finished look, and it was so delicious as well. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.